This is David Patterson here with Lake Country Manufacturing, and today we're talking about our microfiber pads. Both of these pads can be utilized in a multiple step system, even including your favorite foam pads if you like to either cut with microfiber and finish with foam, or cut with foam and finish with microfiber. Our microfiber cutting pad offers more cutting ability than most or all of the foam pads in our standard DA lineup. Our microfiber polishing pad is phenomenal if you prefer to polish with microfiber over foam. The other unique feature about our microfiber polishing pad is that it finishes abnormally well compared to most microfiber pads on the market, and it's phenomenal for metal polishing. If you found this information useful, please stay tuned for more videos.